What's up guys, Fix It Felix here. Today we have this 2004 Ford Mustang. We will be replacing the rear brake pads. These are the tools that we need. We need a jack stands, C-clamps, lug nut wrench, flathead screwdriver, a 3/8 ratchet, the brake pads of course, and a caliper toolkit which we can borrow for free. I'll show you later. Let's get to it. Start by placing the jack and lift it up. And then just put the jack stand. You can remove the jack and just put it on the other side for more space and just pull it all the way up for more support. Now right here, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove this little cap right here. So just stick it right here and just pull up. Perfect. And now use the lug nut wrench. Sweet, now you can just lift up the tire. And what I like to do is I like to put it underneath the car just for more support and more safety. Now right here where the caliper is, we're going to be using a 12mm socket and a 3/8 ratchet. There's a bolt right here we have to remove. There. There's another bolt down here, but the socket doesn't fit there pretty good, so it's better to use a wrench. It fits better. Once removing that bolt, you can already remove the caliper. If it's stuck, you can use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open or just wiggle it until it comes out. Now at this point, you can already remove the brake pads. As you can see, my brake pads are like super bad. They have like 0% life left. Look, it was grinding into the metal, like it was doing metal to metal, and it was making an ugly sound whenever I was hitting the brakes. These are the new brake pads I'm going to install. Here's the model number just in case you need it. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you can buy them too. So let's install these ones. Before installing the brake pads, we have to push this piston all the way inside. This is where we're going to use that special kit tool that I was telling you about. But I mean, don't worry, you can go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's and they can let you borrow it for free. You just have to give a deposit and, oops, sorry. You just have to give a deposit and they'll give it to you back once you return it. So the way to use this tool is just make sure you push this all the way up and just insert this right here like this. And just push it all the way up the most you can. Then just put this little piece also right here. It's magnetic, so it won't fall. And now just put it right there. Once you put it there, just turn. It's a little bit hard, but yeah, it's doable. I mean, you can just keep turning and turning until it goes all the way in. Excellent. Now you can take the new brake pad and just put it here in the back and just get the other one and put it in the front. Once you put them there, you can already put the caliper in. Yeah, just try to wiggle it down and just push it in. Once you push it in, make sure you put the top bolt in first, and then the one at the bottom will be easier to put. Yeah, just make sure to push it in until you can put the bolt that's in the bottom. Then just get the wrench and tie it, but don't tie it all the way. Now tie the one on the top. Once you finish tying the one on the top, Now tighten the one on the bottom all the way. Beautiful. Now at this point we can already put the tire back and put the lug nuts back in. Tighten but not too hard. Let's remove the jack and the jack stand, and then we tie the lug nuts all the way. Now we can insert the little cap. Perfect. Alright guys, great job, we did it. Now we have brand new brake pads in our car. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. As always, peace.